Welcome to the Microsoft Publisher instructions. Before we start, please download the materials linked in the video description field. The materials include images, an Excel sheet, and a Word document. When doing the exercise and watching the instruction video at the same time, it is easy to jump between programs with the Alt-Tab shortcut. Also remember the pause shortcut in YouTube, which is the K key. You can jump 10 seconds either backward or forward with the J and L keys. Let's start by creating a new document. We are making a poster in A3 size in portrait mode. And before we start, we can save the document already. This is dumb because we want to save the document every now and then, just to make sure we don't lose any work in case the computer crashes, for example. After the first save, we can do a quick save by clicking the shortcut Ctrl and S. Firstly, let's set up the margins under the Page Design tab. If you want to leave a clear area to the edges of the canvas, it is good to set up margins. Also, different elements snap on automatically to the margins, such as images and text boxes. I will choose a margin of 0.5 centimeter to this project. You can jump from one field to another with the Tab key. Next, let's add all of the pictures into the document. Go to the Insert tab and press the Pictures button. From there, select all of the previously downloaded images and press Insert. Select the main image and drag it to the upper left corner. It will snap onto the margins automatically. Then grab a hold of the corner of the image and resize it until the right margin. The image is a bit too tall, so let's crop a bit from the top and bottom. You find the crop option under the Picture Tools tab. When you're done cropping, just drag the image up to the upper margin. Next, let's flip the image horizontally, so the students in the picture will move to the left side of the document. And let's add a soft edges to the picture under the Picture Effects option. When the main image is ready, we can put the Laurea logo to the top right corner. It will go under the main image, but let's bring it to front under the Bring Forward option. Next, let's drag the Laurea color bar to the bottom of the document and resize it. Since all of the images are in place, we can add some text to the document. First, draw a text box. Then open the previously downloaded Word document, select all of the text and copy it. You can use the shortcut Ctrl and C as well. When you're done copying the text, select it again so we can make some adjustments to it, such as resizing the font and adding columns. And now let's add columns to the text. Click Columns under the Text Box Tools tab and then choose More Columns. Change the number of columns to 2 and the spacing to 1.5 centimeters. After the columns are done, the text is almost ready. Only the spacing and few other small details are left to do. Select the whole text again, then click the Home tab. Under Home tab, click on the lower right arrow in the Paragraph option. Change the alignment to Justified and the line spacing to 20 points and 10 points, like shown here. It will give us a bit more room to bring in the chart between the text. Under the text box tools, let's uncheck the automatic hyphenation. And lastly, let's add small 2-line tall drop cap to the first paragraph. And remember to save the document regularly. Now, since the text is set, we can bring in the Excel chart. Open the previously downloaded Excel and copy and paste it between the text. Remember, you can use the shortcuts Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V to make the copying and pasting a bit faster if you wish so. When you have copied the chart to the text, remember to change the Wrap Text option when the chart is still selected. And now let's drag it between the text. You might have to resize it and do some minor adjustments to align it properly. We can see from the red dots around the text box that the text is overflowing. So we need to adjust the text box and elements around it so we get the whole text to the field. You can adjust elements in the document with the arrow keys also, which gives you much more accuracy than only moving images or objects with the mouse. Lastly, let's add the title to the poster. Just draw a text box on top of the image in the top. Adjust the font size, color, and make the title bold. Let's add some shadow to the title for it to stand out a bit more. And move it a bit lower. And now the poster is ready. Remember to save the publisher file also if you need to come back to it and make adjustments. When the publisher file is saved, we can make a printable PDF file of the document. Go to File and click Export, Create PDF/XPS. And lastly, let's preview the exported PDF. Go to the location you saved the PDF and open it.